Lower Slaughter is often described as one of the most beautiful villages in England, and it's easy to see why. Nestled in the heart of the Cotswolds, this tiny village feels like a step back in time. Despite its unusual name, slaughter doesn't refer to anything violent. It actually comes from an Old English word meaning muddy place, reflecting the marshy land around the gentle river Eye that flows through the village. One of the most iconic sites here is the Old Mill, known as Lower Slaughter Mill. Dating back to the 19th century, it now houses a small museum where visitors can learn about traditional flour milling. Tucked away in the rolling hills of the Cotswolds lies Upper Slaughter, one of England's most peaceful and perfectly preserved villages. At the heart of the village stands the historic manor house and the small parish church of St. Peter, both adding to its timeless English countryside feel. Every corner looks like it belongs on a postcard. What makes this village truly unique is its untouched character. Upper Slaughter is often described as a no-through road village, meaning there is no busy traffic passing through it. As a result, it feels almost frozen in time, with quiet lanes, honey-colored stone cottages, and an atmosphere of complete calm. Upper Slaughter is not a place you simply pass through. It's a place you slow down for. A quiet reminder of what England once looked like, and in many ways, still does. Just a short scenic walk away is its twin village, Lower Slaughter, connected by a peaceful footpath that follows the river Eye through meadows and stone bridges. The village has barely changed in over 100 years, which is why it's often used as a filming location. Its timeless beauty perfectly captures the essence of rural England. What makes Lower Slaughter truly special is its peaceful atmosphere. Unlike many popular tourist spots, there are no large shops or crowds, just charming limestone cottages, quiet footpaths, and the soothing sound of water trickling through the village.